Oh, okay, bringing the sun and the flowers.
Yo, you hear that? Church bells, girl. You feel me?
Shorty, you know I'm due for a raise, right?
No, that's what I was saying, because I earned the promotion. Yeah, no, I know. Just be better at your job. That's what I've told him before, too.
Hey, I'm working overtime for you.
I'm gonna be running things around here.
Hold on a sec.
Hey, you like buffets? Yes, totally. Set that pride aside and meet me in 5.
I give it.
Hey, miss. Hey, yo, miss.
Yes?
These your keys?
Yeah. Yeah, they are.
Excuse me? Excuse me.
What? What? What do you want?
This area is restricted. We're trying to close it off. Like, with cones?
Why?
Well, we're about to put a hole in the ground, so... It's for your sake, really?
Okay, right, yeah, I didn't notice, so...
I'm just trying to do my job.
Right, yeah, okay.
I still need you to move.
Yeah, okay, I'll just, keep on my jog then.
One foot in front of the other.
Right. Yeah, okay. I'll just run over here then.
What's that?
Oh no! Oh, I'm so sorry. I just dropped all my groceries. I'm so sorry. That's so embarrassing.
Ma'am, you have got to be more careful.
It's just a few scrapes. I don't see what the big deal is.
Oh, is the world such a cruel place?
That's very insensitive.
He's an errand boy.
What is that supposed to mean?
I'm just saying, like, it's a dangerous job. You expect danger on the job, right? Right?
You hear that? We're disposable.
Nietzsche's world, I guess.
What?
Just gotta work in some fancy office to mean something.
No. I just mean, like, you guys are, like, tough, right?
Well, isn't this something? You reprobates. You slimy degenerates. What have I told you? Huh? Do not mess with any women.
Thank you.
With such low self-respect. Now, get back to work! Yeah.
I'm sorry, what?
Ma'am, I am married.
I didn't ask if you were married.
Miss, I hold myself to high moral standards, all right?
I don't think you understand. The people like you fix the buildings that people like me work in.
Oh, no, ma'am, we don't go to the red light district. I'm gonna grab my hat right here.
I have
This is
never
the third time this week.
Unbelievable. It's Tuesday.
think I have an occupation.
Ma'am, you are wearing underwear
I'm
in the
sorry,
daylight.
sir. You are
I'm telling you,
sick.
if we don't start catcalling more, I'm gonna lose this job.
I'm sorry. I don't think you understand the situation here. Like,
I told you, it's either all of them or none of them.
Ma'am, with
Oh,
all
my
due
outfit.
respect, you're wearing underwear
all
outside.
due respect.
I've gotta go.
Do you
I've
excuse
gotta,
me?
boys, you keep working.
I have never been disrespected like that before. Ever in my life. Excuse. No, I'm
Stop
not done
following me.
talking to you.
Stop it,
I'm
lady.
not done. Come
Leave
here.
me, lady, leave me alone.
Yes.